Belief in Tawhid in Islam and its proof from the universe. The religion of Islam is based on the belief of Tawhid. Tawhid, in short, means believing that Allah is one. The clearer meaning of Tawhid is believing that there is only one God, Allah, who influences everything in the universe. People only have the freedom to choose. This is called partial free willer power of choice, but it is Allah who creates everything, including human actions. Man chooses. God creates the action according to his choice. It is you who want to lift your arm, but it is God who lifts your arm. Likewise, it is Allah who creates all the actions in the universe. And none can be a partner in his actions or intervene. The only influence belongs to him. This is the belief in Tawhid, and the belief in Tawhid also includes the following. Allah is one. He is unique. Allah did not come into existence later. He was not born. He was always exist. Those born later cannot become gods. He who is God cannot need anything, but everything needs it. There must be only one that has all these features. Because there can only be one God, who is unique and does not need anything, but everything depends on him. All these features are included in the belief in Tawhid. When we look at the universe, we see Tawhid as a necessary conclusion in many aspects. There are many evidence proving Tawhid in the universe. Now we will read down of them from Bediüzzaman Said Nursi's Risale-i Nur collections. Seventh rays, the supreme sign, from Risale-i Nur collections. The fourth truth, sovereignty. Whoever looks at the cosmos with comprehensive attention will see it to resemble a most prosperous and active kingdom, a city administered most wisely and led most firmly. He sees all things and all species obediently engaged in a particular function. According to the military metaphor contained in the verse, gods are thermes of the heavens and earth, 29 Quran, 48.4. Creative, commands, imperious orders, and kingly laws enunciated in those numerous armies that extend from the hosts of the atom, the battalions of the vegetable kingdom, the brigades of the animal kingdom, to the armies of the stars, and embrace both, the lowliest soldier and the loftiest command. They'll indicate self-evidently the existence of an absolute sovereignty and a universal authority. There is then a truth of absolute sovereignty, and there can be no truth of assigning partners to God. For according to the decisive truth of the verse, were there to be in the heavens and earth gods other than God, verily, they would be corrupted. 30 Quran, 21-22. If numerous hands all engage assertively in the same task, their result will be confusion. If there are twalkings in one country, or event who had men in one district, order will disappear, and administration be replaced by anarchy. But on the contrary, we see everywhere such order, from the wing of the fly to the lamps of the heavens, from the cells of the body to the signs of the planets, that there is no possibility for the intervention of any partner in God's affairs. Sovereignty is moreover a station of dignity. To accept a rival would flout the dignity of sovereignty. The fact that man, who needs the assistance of many people on account of his impotence, will kill his brothers and offspring in the cruelest fashion for the sake of some petty, apparent and temporary sovereignty, shows that sovereignty rejects all notion of partnership. If so feeble a one acts thus for the sake of so petty a sovereignty, it follows that the possessor of absolute power, the master of all creation, will never permit any other than himself to participate in his sacred sovereignty, themians to his real and universal dominicality and divinity.